So I'm starting to get to a point where I feel like I can start modifying suspension or changing suspension up. I've just been riding because I am still relatively new to mountain biking. I was talking to a local mountain bike coach out here, and he was telling me that if I picked up a Fox Float X, I also have a Fox DHX shock, you can add a compression knob on these things by popping this cap off. And this is the dial. Looks like it might have some detents, some springs, and some ball bearings inside it. I have some wheel bearing grease. It's just a heavy grease that I use for all the cars. And then we're gonna see if this works. The stock damper that came on my 2021 Stumpjumper Evo Comp did not have, it was just the design's a little bit different, so it didn't have a cap. So I bought this one used from a local guy, Isaiah, and looks like it's in decent shape. But I'm gonna experiment and play around to see if I can get a cap on this thing. It shouldn't be too difficult, hopefully. So first thing I'm gonna try to do is remove this cap right here. I think I'm just gonna probably use a screwdriver and just kind of pop this off. Just kind of be gentle with it. It's just a plastic cap, which doesn't really matter because at some point there, cap came off relatively easy, and looks like it's got one bearing, looks like a place for the knob, and it looks like I'll be putting those detents or whatever those things into those little holes. I'm gonna go clean it up a little bit and then go from there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this bearing grease. Looks like a jelly donut filling. Don't eat it. And honestly, I don't even know if it's necessary, but you can coat, I guess I'm just gonna coat everything, but it almost seems like you would just be using this stuff to help bind all the parts together. So I think it should just go spring to bearing, and then I'm just going to repeat for the other ones and then shove them in. So I think I'm just going to go finish one, jamming into the thing. There are, looks like 4 holes that circle this thing, so I'm just going to shove each one of these spring and bearing things into the holes. I'm going to also push the caps out just a hair. You guys can see that. And I think this knob just pushes in there. If you look at it, it's got like a weird, it only goes in one way, I think. Looks like a pear shape. So I just added the jelly donut grease in there. And then now I should be able to just put this cap on, hopefully. As long as it's oriented the right way. But once it's in place, I'm gonna have to, it looks like, push each one of these things in a little. There we go. Just do it one by one. I don't know if you can see it. And if you're putting a little pressure, I think, on the top cap, it just kind of falls into place. And then I got one more on the back side. There. Oh, looks like I got it. I think it's in. Oh, look at that. It's got a knob. And it's held in place. I don't know if this thing's ever going to come out. But I have a compression knob now. Yo, that's awesome. Yeah. Done.